Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss a story, 8th class English story. The name of the story is The Thief and the Tiger. Could you understand? What is the name of the story?
The thief and the tiger.
Thief means what? Can't you say? Thief means choro. Thief means choro. And the tiger means bagha. Here is an interesting story. Very mojadiya gopodi. Could you understand? So pre-reading, man rides a horse, you know. Manisha goda चलाउछि. Man rides a horse or an elephant, हाथी की भी चलाउछि. मनुष्य हाथी किंबा घोड़ा को चलाए, सवार हुए, और ए डंकी नले गध को चलाए, राइड करे. Does he ever ride a lion or a tiger or a bear? केबे सी बाघ किंबा सिंह किंबा भालू को चलाए कि?
No.
If he do so, what will happen? कौन हब? They will attack him. ताको आक्रमण कर देबे. The lion and the tiger will kill him and fill his stomach. Right? And the tiger, what will the bear do? The bear will change his geography. तार भौगोलिक परिवर्तन करदेव. Will scratch him, will bite him. Could you understand? This will be the result if a man tries to ride a tiger or a lion or a bear. So, man is a very clever animal, very chatura pasuti. He never dare to ride a lion or a tiger or a bear. Could you understand? Why? Because these are wild animals and they will attack the man who will try to ride them. See the picture below. Here is the picture. Who is riding a tiger? A man is riding a tiger. Could you understand?
Yes.
And the tiger is running in a swift manner. What do you see? We see a man riding a tiger in the picture. तमे कौन देखुच? गोटे लोक बाघ को राइडिंग करियार we see देखुचे आमे. A man is riding a tiger. We see it. A man is riding a tiger. Is it possible? संभव कि? Possible means संभव. Is it possible? यह संभव कि?
No.
No. When? केतल? Where? केउंठारे? Let's read the story and see how. किंतु केबे केबे भी असंभव भी संभव ही थाए. Let's see whether it is a fact or not. Okay. Here is the picture. Once there was a king. What did I say? Once there was a king. Who was there? A king. The king was a famous. Famous means prasiddha. Who was famous? The king was famous. For what? We don't know. कौन भी प्रसिद्ध आमे जानिने. The king was famous for his strong and swift horses. तांकर शक्तिशाली बलशाली एवं क्षिप्र गति धाउथुबा घोड़ा मानक पई प्रसिद्ध. Who was famous? The king was famous. Famous means प्रसिद्ध. Puri is famous for Lord Jagannath temple. Could you understand? Puri is famous. What is Puri famous for? Puri is famous for Lord Jagannath temple. Could you understand? Okay. So, the king was famous for what? Famous for his strong and swift horses. He kept him in who? The king. The king माने के राजा. Kept. रखुथिले किए रखुथिले हु केप्ट द किंग केप्ट व्हाट माय नोज योर पॉकेट हिज पेन ऑल दिस थिंग्स देन व्हाट ही केप्ट ऑल द बेस्ट हॉर्सेस द किंग केप्ट व्हाट all the best horses could understand the king kept रखुଥିଲେ all the best horses ସବୁଠାରୁ ଉତ୍କୃଷ୍ଟ ଧରଣର ଘୋଡ଼ା ରଖୁଥିଲେ in his stable ଘୋଡ଼ାଶାଳରେ stable means what
घोड़ाशाला
where did the king keep the best horses the king kept the best horses in his stable what did the king keep the king kept the best horses could understand one day what did I say
one day
mane dine a thief means what choro wanted chahila who wanted a thief wanted who wanted
a thief
wanted what who do you know what he wanted you don't know let's read and know so a thief wanted what to steal a horse could understand now the thief wanted to steal means चोरेवा so steal a horse गोटे घोड़ाटी चोराइବାକୁ से चाहला who wanted the thief wanted what to steal a horse to steal a horse घोड़ाटी चोरी करिया पाई thief चाहिला कोडू from the king's stable a tiger came to know about विषय came to know बोले जानिया पाइला who came to know a tiger गोटे बाघ जानिया चाहिला एक कथा जानी पाइला a tiger came to know गोटे बाघ जान देला about the thieves plan चोरर जो षड़यंत्रटा गोटे बाघ जानी देला who came to know a tiger came to know what about the thieves plan से बाघ जान देला आर षड़यंत्रटा जान देला whose plan the thieves plan of what to steal a horse from the king's stable रजार घोड़ाशाला गंडवार it thought ये भावेला who thought the tiger thought of eating the thief's flesh the tiger thought of eating the thief's flesh means मांस thieves ये चोरर मांस खाया कथा भाविला बेला it is a good chance for me I shall have a good dinner could understand who thought it the tiger thought it who thought it
the
tiger thought it so that night enu sedin rati re the tiger came to the king's stable who came to the king's stable tiger why kahi gaila to have thief's flesh in a test could understand to feast on the thief's flesh चोरर मांस खाइब भोजी करी खाइब बोलिकी that night the tiger came to where to the king's stable who came the tiger came could understand or not it hid means लुचि वाला it hid means tiger hid in a safe place गोटे निरापद स्थान जाकर लुचि गला who hid the tiger where in a safe place it stood silently the tiger stood silently नीरव छिड़ा है विथ दि हॉर्सेस घोड़ा मान भितर घोड़ा मान सहित नीरव छिड़ा है एज इफ इट वाज वन ऑफ दि हॉर्सेस इन दि स्टेबल सत्य जेपरी से घोड़ाशाला भितर ये गोटे घोड़ा भलिया नीरव छिड़ा गला हु दि टाइगर stood silently as if one of the horse in the stable one of the horses in the stable Could understand? Let's see what happened then. देखिए कौन हला, whether the thief came or not. If he came, what happened? The tiger ate it or not? After some time, what did I say? After some time, किसी समय परे, the thief got into the stable. The thief came, got into the stable. चोर आइला, stable भीतर पसिला. Could understand? It was a dark inside. भीतर पार्श्वर अंधार. Stable भीतर पार्श्वर अंधार because it was night. There was no light. He touched the back of each horse. Who touched? The thief touched. Touched means स्पर्श कला. touched. स्पर्श कला back of the each horse. प्रत्येक घोड़ार पिठीटाको आउछिला. Who? The thief. Who touched?
The
Thief touched. What? The back of each horse. Each horse to select the best one. सबुठारु गोटे भलटी सिलेक्ट करिया पे से टच कला. At last the thief touched the tiger's back. परिशेष रे the thief touched the tiger's back. परिशेष रे he touched what? He touched the tiger's back. बाघर पिठी की अंधा देला. He thought it to be the best horse. भाविला एटा आगे सबुठारु भल घोड़ाटा. Who thought? The thief. He brought the tiger out of the stable. So he brought Anila. Bring brought Anila the horse out of the stable. Stable बाहर को Anila. Who brought whom? The thief brought the tiger out of the stable. Then he put a beadle on the tiger's mouth. ता पाटे गोटे तुंडी बांधी देला. ता पाटे तुंडी बांधी देला. जानचो तुंडी बंधा होची बाउंस पाते बाउंस रे तयार हेतिबो. गाई माने तोडुकुणी गाई मानकर पाटीडा बंद करियाकू गोटे ये आम कौन कहउचंदी से तुंडी गोटे बाउंस रे तयारी हाँ बांधी देचंदी. सिमिति ता पाटे तुंडी गोटे बांधी देला. beadle on tiger's mouth. And rode on it. तापरे चढ़िला चलई नला. Ride road past tense. The tiger didn't have such an experience. आगुरु तार इंदे अनुभूति नथिला. टाइगर मुहरे तुंडी बांधिबे थिबार अनुभूति टाइगर ने नथिला. Who did not have? The tiger did not have such an experience before. It thought भाविला. Who thought? The tiger thought. Who thought? The tiger thought. The thief was very powerful. आय बापा रे चोरुटा भारी शक्तिशाली. Who thought it like this? Tell me. The tiger thought it. It became terribly afraid. Afraid means भयभीत. Terribly भयंकर भावे भयभीत. The tiger was terribly afraid. पूरा आगे डरी गला. अब the thief and started running with great speed. डरिला डरिक आकाशरे क्षिप्र गति धाइबा आरंभ करदेला. Who started running? The tiger out of fear. भय जोगु to save himself. निजु निजे रक्षा करियाको ताला. Could understand or not? The thief did not have such an experience. चोरर मध्य एई भली एक्सपीरियंस नथिला. अनुभूति नथिला. अभिज्ञता नथिला. एक्सपीरियंस भी अनुभूति अभिज्ञता. बिफोर पूर्वर he thought से मध्य भाविला he had selected the best horse. ये जत क्षिप्र भल घोड़ाटा मु बाछि लिखिरे. that thief thought. जे जा रास्ता चिंता कर सारे. He did not imagine. Imagine में कल्पना करवा. से कल्पना करि पारलानी that he was riding a tiger. से गोटे घोड़ा से गोटे बाघोड़ा को चलाउची बोलिक सी आ जानी पारनी. सी भाभी जी
घोड़ा लाली से भाभी
he thought it was a horse, but actually it was not a horse, it was a tiger. Could understand? Because he could not see anything in the dark. जानी पाइलाने क्यों? Because he could not see anything in the dark. अंदर भीतरे the thief could not see anything in the dark. देखी पाऊँ तो उसे जानी पाइलाने. He was sure that it was a horse, not a tiger. Could understand or not? Is not it interesting? Very interesting. Comprehension questions. Comprehension questions. What was the king famous for? Tell me, the king was famous for his strong and swift horses. For his strong and swift, SWIFT, horses. The king was famous for his strong and swift horses. What did the thief plan to? The thief planned to steal a horse from the king's stable, right? Why did the thief hide inside the stable? The thief hid in the stable to kill the thief, and eat his flesh. Flesh means mansa. Why did the tiger hide in the stable? The tiger hid in the stable to kill the thief, and eat his flesh. Why did the thief touch the back of each horse? The thief touched the back of each horse to select bachibo, select the best horse. Okay. Next one is, why did he think the tiger to be the best horse? He thought the tiger to be the best horse because its back gave him a smooth silky touch. Next question 6. How did he ride on it? He put a bridle on the tiger's mouth. Bridle. Put a bridle. Okay. On the tiger's mouth and rode on it. 7. He did not know that he was riding a tiger. Why? He did not know that he was riding a tiger because it was dark night. Could understand? It was dark outside. Or he did not know that he was riding a tiger because he could not see anything in the dark. अंधारे किसी देखी पार नथुला. Where did the tiger run into? The tiger ran into the forest. Jungle ଭିତରକୁ ପଶିଯାଇଥିଲା. Could understand? With this, that is the end of today's lesson. We shall discuss the other parts in our next session. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.